The festival was over. The people of Babylon were returning to their temple, excited to worship their idols. But when they walked through the great doors, they stopped in shock. What they saw made them gasp. All their idols, the statues they had worshipped for years, were lying broken on the ground, shattered into pieces, arms broken, heads cracked, scattered everywhere across the temple floor. The people couldn't believe their eyes. Who could have done such a terrible thing? Their faces turned red with anger. Their voices grew loud and furious. "Who dared to destroy our gods?" they shouted. "Find the person who did this. They must be punished." The people searched everywhere, asking everyone in the city. Finally, someone remembered. "Wait, I heard young Ibrahim talking about these idols. He always said they were just statues. He must have done this." Immediately, the guards rushed to find Ibrahim and brought him before all the people. "Ibrahim, did you break our idols?" they demanded angrily. But Ibrahim, calm and wise, pointed to the largest idol still standing in the temple. In its hand was an axe. "Why don't you ask him?" Ibrahim said. "Perhaps the big one got angry and broke all the others." The people looked at the statue. They looked at the axe. Then they looked back at Ibrahim. "You know very well," Ibrahim said gently, "that these statues cannot speak. They cannot move. They cannot do anything. How could this big idol break the others when it cannot even move its own hand?" The people fell silent. Deep down, they knew Ibrahim was right. Their idols were just stone and wood. They had no power at all. Some people began to think. Some began to understand. If these idols couldn't even protect themselves, how could they protect anyone else? If they couldn't speak or move, why were they worshiping them? Ibrahim had shown them the truth in the wisest way. He didn't just tell them the idols were powerless. He made them see it with their own eyes. This story teaches us something very important, dear friends. Just like Ibrahim, we should always think carefully about what is right and what is wrong. We should have the courage to stand up for the truth, even when everyone else believes something different. Ibrahim showed us that real power doesn't come from statues or things we make with our hands. Real power comes from the one who created everything, the one true God. So remember, always use your mind to think, always be brave enough to ask questions, and always stand up for what is true and right. That's what makes a real hero.